Attention all car enthusiasts and finance gurus. Ever wondered if your car could be more than just a mode of transportation? Get ready for a mind-bending journey into the world of car purchases and their untold impact on your financial destiny. Fast, furious, and financially savvy. Let's roll! Welcome to the Elite Economizer, your go-to source for all things personal finance and wealth building. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing debate of whether you should buy, finance, lease, or opt for PCP when it comes to owning a car. The question might be more controversial than you think, and the answer could significantly impact your financial well-being. So let's explore the ins and outs of these options and find the most economical route for you. 1. Buying outright. The straightforward approach: pay the full price of the car on day one and enjoy complete ownership without worrying about monthly payments or interest. Simple, right? 2. Finance. Hire purchase. Borrow a portion of the car's cost, pay a deposit, and make monthly repayments over an agreed period. At the end, the car is yours. But is it the most cost-effective? 3. Lease. Similar to renting, make monthly payments to use the car and return it at the end of the contract. Monthly payments are calculated differently from finance, making it an enticing option for some. 4. PCP, personal contract purchase. Set a term, pay a deposit, and get a final value for the car at the end. Decide whether to keep, return, or part exchange the car. The popular choice. But is it the cheapest? Financial implications. Let's break down the costs for a medium-sized family car, assuming a $19,000 deposit and a 3-year term for fair comparison. 1. Finance, hire purchase. A deposit, an interest rate of just under 11%, and monthly payments of $878 bring the total cost to just under $44,000. Full ownership at the end, but is it the most economical? 2. Lease. With the same deposit, monthly payments are $438, significantly lower. Over 3 years, the cost is around $22,000. The catch? You don't own the car unless you choose to buy it at the end. 3. PCP. Monthly payments of $575, a final value of $19,000, and a total cost of around $27,000 if you return the car. If you keep it, the cost skyrockets to $45,700. Is the flexibility worth the extra cost? 4. Buy outright. Purchase the car for $38,000, and assuming you can sell it for $20,000 after 3 years, this seems like the cheapest option at $18,000. However, consider the opportunity cost of locking up $38,000 in the car. Psychological factors. Consider how long you plan to keep your car. Hire purchase provides full ownership, but maintenance costs can accumulate. Leasing or PCP offers flexibility and lower monthly payments, but restrictions apply, and you must keep the car in pristine condition. Conclusion. In conclusion, the cheapest option depends on various factors, including your financial situation, investment opportunities, and how long you plan to keep the car. Don't be swayed solely by the car dealership's push for PCP. It might not be the best option for everyone. Remember, financial education is crucial, and understanding the true cost of ownership empowers you to make informed decisions. Share this video if you found it valuable, and let us know how you bought or plan to buy your car in the comments below. Outro. If this video provided you with valuable insights, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Elite Economizer for more in-depth discussions on personal finance and wealth building. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.